Hello, kamusta po kayo? Ayan, nasa isa na naman po tayong araw na kung saan atin pong ibabahagi. Awit na naman po ito ng pag-ibig. Sabi nga doon, bawat isa mayroong katapat. Ayan, may katapat na puso, katapat na pangako. Wow! At ang bawat isa, kapag ito po ay naranasan, sabi nga, ibibigay mo lahat-lahat kasi nga, it's for the best of your loved one. Diba? Kapag nagmahal ka naman, talaga naman, samot-sari lahat. Kulang na lang ang paligid mo, nag-uumapaw, nagniningning. Parang mga bituin sa langit. Pero sabi ko nga po, lahat inspired at nagnanais na makahanap ng tunay na pag-ibig. At pag ito ay dumating, sabi nga, susanggabin. Susunggabin. Ayan, susunggaban. Ayan, ang hirap mag-Tagalog. Ayan, kumbaga ito ay kanya ng aangkinin. Ayan. Wala na, hindi na pakakawalan. Ayun lamang po. Sige, bago tayo tuluyang sampamahugot itong mga linya ko at nakakatuwa. Ayan, nakakatuwa na itong pinapakinggan ko yung sarili ko, nakakatawa na. Ayan, sige po tayong lahat ay mag-enjoy na makinig para po lahat ay mas ma-inspired to be in love. Ayan, single ka man o meron ng iniirog, sabi nga, your love is the greatest gift of all. Yes, let's listen. It's not the flowers wrapped in fancy paper. It's not the ring I wear around my finger. It's nothing in all the world I need when I have you here beside me. Here beside me, so you could give me wings to fly. Catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all. I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. In your arms, I found the strength inside me, and in your eyes, there's a light to guide me. I would be lost without you, and all of my heart could ever want us come true. So you could give me wings to fly. Catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. You could offer me the sun, the moon, and I would still believe. You gave me everything when you gave your heart to me. Ask for more. So you could give me wings to fly. Catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, I could wish on them all, I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. Greatest gift of all. The greatest gift of all.